Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to use the transform with our object. So first we draw an object. So I'm going to click here to draw this rectangle shape. Get my move tool and right click. So here we have the transform. So with transform, you can get rotate left, rotate right, flip horizontal, and flip vertical. Let's try with the first one, rotate left. Right click again. The next one, rotate right. Flip horizontal. So I'm going to draw another shape. Just like this, change the color, get my move tool, drag my selection, right click, group it, right click, transform, flip horizontal, and flip vertical. So this is how we can use the transform tool with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.